Turtlebox Original Gen 3 Review. Best Rugged Outdoor Bluetooth Speaker. If you need a Bluetooth speaker that can handle the beach, boat, campsite, or job site, the Turtlebox Original Gen 3 is built for exactly that. But at around $430, is its rugged design and powerful sound really worth the premium? If you're interested in checking out this product, I've tagged it in this video, and you can find it through the product link in the description. The Original Gen 3 is a large, rugged 10-pound speaker with a 6x9-inch woofer and 1-inch titanium tweeter. Turtlebox rates it for up to 120 decibels and more than 25 hours of battery life, although actual playback time depends heavily on volume. At maximum volume, the company says you can expect around 7 hours. Durability is probably its biggest selling point. It has an IP67 rating, meaning it can handle dust and immersion in up to 3 feet of water for 30 minutes, and it floats. The enclosure is also designed to resist drops and crushing, while stainless steel tie-down points make it easier to secure on boats, vehicles, or outdoor gear. For connectivity, you get Bluetooth 5.4, USB-C output for charging another device, an auxiliary input, and a microphone input. You can also connect 2 Gen 3 speakers in true wireless stereo, or use party mode to connect multiple compatible Turtlebox speakers. Sound is where the Original Gen 3 aims to stand out. It is designed to stay powerful outdoors, where background noise can easily overpower smaller speakers. Independent testing has found that it can get very loud and delivers impactful bass, although the sound can become somewhat harsh at higher volumes, with less fullness and clarity. The biggest downside is simple. This speaker is expensive, heavy, and much larger than a typical portable Bluetooth speaker. If you mainly listen indoors or want something easy to carry in a backpack, there are more practical options. But if you spend a lot of time outdoors and durability, volume, water resistance, and battery life matter more than compact size, the Turtlebox Original Gen 3 makes a strong case for itself. If you want to check the latest details or buy this product, I've tagged it in the video, and you can find the product link in the description. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment